Hi, I'm John from John Ross Smart Living, and we're here on site at one of our projects. Please excuse the noise that's going on in the background. So we're going to talk about Wi-Fi and connectivity today, which are, as you'll know if you've watched any of our other videos, really important for any system, even a small house or a big house like this one. And in the background you'll see Jason fitting one of our Wi-Fi points, or WAPs as we call them. And the reason that we have these fitted is, even in a kind of normal small house, your router's very rarely in the centre of the house, so therefore some of the house will not be covered very well by the one router, or your BT hub, or whoever it is, Virgin, Sky, whatever. So we fit Wi-Fi access points in key areas to cover the rest of the house, so that no matter where you are in the house, you'll get full speed. So if you've got 100 megabits coming in, you'll get 100 megabits throughout the rest of the house. So the Wi-Fi points we use there's two different options. One is a ceiling mount, or can be hidden in the ceiling, so out of the way so you can't actually see it, but generally fitted to the ceiling so it gives good coverage in an area. And the other ones we use, which are really handy, are in-wall ones. And the good thing about them is they have a wired point out the bottom, which allows us to connect things like televisions, skyboxes, games consoles and stuff like that, which are much better when they're connected by a wire than they are connected by Wi-Fi. We prefer to keep everything off of Wi-Fi, and the only things really that we want on Wi-Fi would be mobile devices. It's actually a question we get asked all the time: why can't we use Wi-Fi for everything? Well, we know that Wi-Fi is problematic and sometimes doesn't work and kicks us off sometimes. So if we added to the burden by putting everything on Wi-Fi, that problem would become much worse. So we always wire everything we can wire will be wired, and like I said, our ideal scenario would be where the only thing that's wireless is a mobile device or a laptop. So yeah, hope that was useful. I'm John from John Ross Smart Living, and yeah, if you have any questions, just give us a bell.